one of the biggest opportunity of our lifetime. And this is not just believed by some of the people, this is believed by the biggest of the lot. And who are those biggest of the lots? The Polygon co-founder believes this, and many other people believe it. Like if you try to see, the Polygon co-founder Sandeep Nailwal said that Web3 gaming will eventually be one of the biggest drivers of crypto mass adoption. Now let me tell you, in this video I'm going to reveal to you top 4 coins that I believe are really having a big potential. But let me be clear, I'm not giving a coin which is, let's say, $2 million market cap, $1 million market cap. Why? Because yes, there could be that when the bull run comes, some of these coins might do 200x, 500x, some of them even do 600x, 800x. But the problem is, these have a risk as well. They might not do anything at all. The project might just end up, because they are so low market cap, $2 million market cap. So if I'm recommending a coin in this video specifically, I'll be recommending the coin which is already more than $200-300 million market cap, because they have to be established coin. I mean, they're minimizing the risk yet tapping the potential of the crypto gaming. So the top 4 coin that I'm going to talk about. So number 1 would be the Gala Games, and I believe this is one of the most promising projects out in the crypto market. Why? Because they are like the studio. They are like the Gala Gaming studio. So they're not just producing one game, they are producing series of games one after the other. So even if one of the games do not gain the traction, the other games will be gaining the traction. And they even have the Gala Music and Gala Movies, but they are already sitting at market cap of $550 million. The fully diluted market cap, like if all the tokens were to unlock today, $1.2 billion market cap, already sitting at $1.2 billion market cap. What was the all-time high from at this point of time? Right now it is 0.025. So let's say you invest your money into it, the all-time high was 83 cents. So from this point of time, somebody can get, I would say, approximately 35 to 40x if it were to reach all-time high. From the all-time low, it is already 160x up. The best part about this is it is the gaming studio and it keeps on building. It has 1 million monthly active users. Like you can go and Google search. I can do the Google search for you. I've already done that. It has 1 million monthly active users. I've already said before, guys, one of the most important criteria for determining the coins or the value, whether it is going to rise or not, is whether the mass adoption is enabled or not, whether people are using it. The more number of people are using it, the law says that it's more valuable, the value is going to increase. So from here, I believe probably the 50x is the potential by the next bull market, conservative 50x, and 50x itself at the fully diluted market cap would make it $50 billion market cap. But definitely it's worth it. The best part about recommending this is not just going to die down. A likelihood of a coin going to die down would be like a coin sitting at $1 million, $2 million market cap. Why? Because if it had already been a really good pick, it would have been already, the investment would have flown, wouldn't have been sitting at $2 million market cap. So the infrastructure is already built into this, so the risk factor minimizes into high cap coins, even though the maximum gains also gets minimized. The next one is the Axie Infinity. This coin, obviously the P2P player, and it really gained the traction, the 2021 bull market, the kind of gains that people happen to see. Like, let me just show you the all-time high from here, $165 all-time high. And what is the all-time low? 12 cents. That means 50x from this point of time. But from here, if it is supposed to do all-time high, we are talking 25 to 30x. 25 to 30x. That means 2500% to 3000% increase from here. Already sitting at $742 million market cap. The fully diluted market cap is $1.6 billion market cap. I personally believe it has a potential to cross that all-time high. That means it $165 again in the next bull run when it comes to 2025, or even more than $200. That means more than 40x from here. But the investment is one thing for sure. It is not like, I mean, some of the $2 million market cap, there is a possibility you might lose 90% from here within like a week. Something like this do happen. So chances of like losing from here 90% or 50%, like it's quite less unless there is a disastrous event that is happening in the crypto market. So we are maintaining the risk side as well. At the same time, we are maximizing the upside and investing into the quality projects. So the Gala Games, the Axie Infinity, what is the next one? The next one is the Sandbox. This has an overlap of the metaverse as well as the gaming, and this has been in existence from quite a while. Let me tell you what happened last year. It almost was like 50 cents in November of last year, 2021, when Zuckerberg announced that they are changing the name to the Meta. It rallied to $7, almost 15 to 20x from the point that it was $7.5. 15 to 20x in a matter of a week. when the meta news announced. So this is one of the category king of the metaverse. So when the metaverse is going to take the boom and the crypto gaming together, like this is definitely going to be utilizing this opportunity. Right now sitting at 1.3 fully diluted market cap, $1 billion fully diluted market cap. It has a potential to actually reach, I would say from here, 50x at the top of the bull market. Like, and this is a conservative guess. It might even go beyond 100x. Like when the things get crazy, you can never predict in the bull market, but definitely it deserves to have when the mania of the bull run is going to come. And the downside will be limited from here, because obviously 44 cents is still cheap, because considering the mass adoption, already 1 million users approximately are visiting the sandbox and the metaverse. And when we are talking Apple Pro launching their device and the metaverse gaining the mass adoption slowly, this would be one of the category king that will not be left out. So definitely we are positioning ourselves into a metaverse in the gaming boom when we are investing into this project. And obviously it's high market cap to notice, like $1 billion market cap. Now, last but not the least is the Illuvium. Now, let me tell you one of the fact about this. At the all-time high, if you know, the Illuvium reached almost $2,500, $2,000 conservatively. The problem with that, from $2,000 to $45. Why such a big drop came? I've covered in the previous video as well. By the way, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how can we make maximum amount of money for our subscribers. Please ensure you hit the subscribe button if you want to make massive amount of money in the crypto space. We'll be covering the quality content, giving you the best of the info. So $2,500, from there we are talking $45, 150x. Like somebody invested probably $50,000 at that point at the top, would be sitting with $1,000. That's disastrous, right? The reason for that, because the seed round of selling that happened was $1 and $3, and the ICO started at $80. And just imagine somebody who has bought at $1 and $3, even if they are getting at $100, they will sell it. Why? Because they're still massively profitable. So it kept on selling even after the bottom as the token unlocks happen. So this is why the tokenomics is very important as well. But right now, what has happened, like, number one thing, the game is not launched yet, but it is very, very promising. This is supposed to be one of the category king amongst the quality of game that is being developed in the Web3 game. And the founders are super amazing. It is a AAA game. The graphics are amazing. It is supposed to be one of the biggest mass adoption driver. This is the assumption. It has not happened yet. When the game goes live, then we'll know the reality. Sitting at $155 million market cap, but the fully diluted market cap is like $44 billion. I believe if the mass adoption literally happens, and it promises as what is expected of it, because from here every day it was like 8,000 ILB token was being released, and now all the 7,000 every day extra has been released. Now 1,000 ILB tokens will be released from this point of time till 2025. So the token unlock disaster that was happening, I mean, that thing has settled down a little bit. So from here, when the bull run approaches and if the mass adoption happens, I personally believe, my conservative guess is 100x from here, at least like $50 billion market cap is the possibility from here. That means 100x, $5,000 per coin, the conservative guess that I'm giving. And if things go crazy, it might go far crazier. 2025 we are looking for. But all this scenario is like, see, everybody talked about the Luna being one of the best thing happening. It is going to $1,000, $10,000, right? And they were not wrong in the assumption, in the analysis. But if things go wrong, if the pack of cards starts falling down, you can never predict what can happen with any of the projects. Having said that, it is a promising project. Great founders, great graphics. Yes, it has been disappointing with the price point, but this could be one of the opportunity to get in at such a low price, $45. I believe we are just having an upside from here. We have seen all the disastrous events around, so probably the downside would be restricted. One of the most important thing you need to look for, how much downside that you can avoid in the crypto market. And literally you can make a great sum of money with all these coins and yet take the minimum of the risk when we are trying to tap the gaming sector of the crypto market. I hope you found the video helpful, guys. Smash the like button, comment down below what is your top crypto gaming coin. I would like to know that. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video.